Thursday, April the 15th. It is now a 10:15 at night, 2021. Let's hear the pulsating noise. Comes and goes slowly, it's just gone there. Gone again. Back again.